What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the top 5 decks in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, understanding these decks can enhance your gameplay and strategy. This list is based on the website limitlesstcg.com/deck, where you can find the top list of Pokemon cards. First is Drago, V-Star with 8 points of 1923. This card has an attack called Apex Dragon, which depends on which Pokemon deck you discard in the discard pile and use it as his attack. It has the ability of a Legacy Star, where during your turn, you may discard your top 7 cards of your deck, then put up to 2 cards from your discard pile into your hand. Remember, you can use only one V-Star Pokemon card, so choose your V-Star wisely. Second is Raging Bolt X with a point of 1425, who is related to Raikou. This card is an attack that is Burst Bellowing Thunder with 70 attack points. Third is Charizard X with a point of 1403. This card has attack points of 180 plus and has the ability of Infernal Rain. Fourth is Lugia V-Star with a point score of 1169. This card is an attack called Tempest Drive with attack points of 220 and has an ability called Summoning Star. The fifth and final is Terrapagos X with points of 992. This card has 2 attacks called Unified Beatdown with attack points of 30 times and Crown Opal with attack points of 180. By familiarizing yourself with these top 5 decks and practicing regularly, you'll enhance your skills in the Pokemon TCG Pocket. That's it! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.